a good day coming together. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. It's a good day coming. Do whatever. Oh yeah, yeah. It's a good day coming. It's been forever. Let's go, yeah, yeah, yeah. It's a good day coming. Better. It's a good day coming.
Alma, baby, B, salamat sa mahabang pasensya na binibigay mo sa akin lagi. Sa tinagal-tagal ng ating pagsasama. Sa dinami-dami ng hirap na ating pinagdadaanan, pinanghawakan ko pa rin yung tanong na nabuo sa isip ko habang nakatingin tayo sa kisame ng bahay niyo. Sa kisame lang kasi umuulan.
Tracing shadows on your back, like I dreamt so many times. Oh, for so long I've been waiting, for so long for love like this, and I was so sure, baby, I lost you for a minute, but there's just
Salamat kasi nandyan ka pa rin. Kahit anong mangyari. Kasi kahit anong taboy ko sa'yo, hindi ka umaalis. Ikaw lang yung nagstay at hindi ako iniwan. Yun ang pagkakaiba mo sa lahat. Ikaw yung taong nakakaintindi na sobrang hina ko para maiwan mag-isa. Kaya never mo yun ginawa.
quietly keeping, it's open my heart, breathe and I breathe back what I lost many years ago.
Pinag-pray ko na sana makuha ko yung kasal na gusto niya.
I never forgot. I've always been yours.
To my husband, yung pinaka-gift na matagal mo nang gusto, binigay na ni Lord yon. Yung maging baby natin. Pero itong gift na ibibigay ko sa'yo, sana magsilbing paalala sa'yo na kagaya ng ginto. Ganon ka rin kahalaga at karapat-dapat. Ingatan. Wow! I love you, B. I'll walk with you today and I'll guide you forever. I love you, Bunso. Ma'am, matagal ko nang hindi naririnig yung mga salita niya. Kahit hindi ko narinig, nararamdaman ko.
There's a sweetness, spring at my door, can you feel it? Just the same as before, many years have gone by.
Mamahalin kita hanggang sa aking huling hininga. Susuportahan ka sa mga pangarap mo na ngayon ay pangarap na nating dalawa.
Quietly keeping, it's open my heart, breathe and I breathe back what I lost many years have gone by.
Handa na akong tumanda kasama ka kahit anong mangyari. Haalagaan kita, mas mamahalin pa kita at pangakong pasasaya.
I've always been yours, only yours. Quietly yours, only yours. I've always been yours, only yours.
No more playing the waiting game. I've grown tired of the same old same. What I want, it's magnetic, taking me over, can't forget it. You told me straight that I'd regret it, but I'm already gone. We can wait forever, but I feel like I already have. For you, a song there to pick me up. Do what you want. I'm gonna make my own way anyway. I'm already at the door.
to ay gagawin natin na nakasentro kay Jesus na ating Diyos. Naway pattubayan niya ang ating pagsasama at mas lalo pang pagdipayin sa mga darating na panahon.
Make no mistake, it's a setup. Ain't gonna stop, ain't gonna let up. We can wait forever, but I feel like
Maraming salamat dahil nakilala kita. I can now finally call you asawa ko 22. Ikaw lang sapat na.
do what you want. I'm gonna make